Won't stop the beat to go.
Hi. Welcome. We just wrapped up Thanksgiving, getting ready for the Christmas season. But I thought I'd take a little break from seasonal beers. Do love pumpkin beers, but I think we're all pumpkin beered out at this point. So before I get into all of the Christmas nonsense and my Christmas little outfits, you know I got some Christmas outfits. We're gonna do we're just gonna be normal for a day. Try that out. I mean, as normal as I get. So obviously not normal, but today I'm gonna be doing Outboard Cream Ale from Milwaukee Brewing Company. I have not done any beers from them, which is weird. Would have thought by now I have tried all of the Milwaukee Brewing Companies of all over, but I have not tried theirs. So I love anything that says cream. Literally, why? Okay, I just painted my nails too. But again, this is from Milwaukee. Literally just said that. Boy, oh boy. I learned on TikTok, right? Because that's all we know how to do anything, is that you're supposed to actually like pour it in without the tipping and let that shit foam, because then it gets all of the like gases out so that you can drink more. I don't plan on drinking a lot, so I just can't drink more than 2 beers in a sitting. I just can't. I don't know. It's a tolerance level I gotta build up to. I don't know. But here we are. All right, so this is the cream ale. Just smells like beer. Nothing like, nothing in it. Cheers. Oh, that's lovely. Well, that's like a nice, just like beer. Like, not like anything festive about it. There's nothing like fruity or whatever. It's just like really mellow. It's delicious, actually. Yeah, I like that a lot. See, why don't people drink more beer like this, where it's not hoppy, there's nothing bitter about it, it's just like super smooth and easy to drink, perfect amount of carbonation where I'm not like, ugh, like it's like, yeah, that's really good. This is like one of those that I would just like want in my house. Not like just to try, but to actually like drink on purpose. Goodbye. Cheers.